To replace an upper dish rack adjuster clip in this KitchenAid dishwasher, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Pull out the upper dish rack, then open the front rack stops and fully remove the dish rack. Insert the small flathead screwdriver into the appropriate slot in the rack adjuster assembly to depress the tab to release the old rack adjuster clip. To install the new upper dish rack adjuster clip, align it on the inside of the adjuster and snap it into place. You can now align the upper rack rollers on the rails, slide the rack in, and close the front rack stops.